Sellers who follow this holiday strategy make 10 times more. Don't get left behind. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So we've tested these strategies and our clients have seen up to 10x growth for the past year. The best part is you can apply these strategies not for Christmas, but also for Valentine's Day, Halloween, St. Patrick's Day, Mother's Day, and beyond. And the first thing is going to be the first image and making sure it stands out. So we can look at this image right here. You can see that it stands out because it has a little extra. It shows the ingredients. It shows the peppers, their high quality, the seasonings, right? Just the first image is enough to do damage and help you increase your sales, right? But you can do the same thing. There's a holiday trick that we use for our clients, and it's literally just putting a bow or a Christmas tree. You can see how we did this for our client, and it did increase sales because it automatically makes the customer think, oh, holiday, present, gift, right? So just putting this bow on the listing help them. Another one is if Halloween's coming up, right? Putting pumpkins on your listing, right? Obviously the customer knows they're not getting these pumpkins, but it does help them increase their sales, right? And then number 2 is going to be implementing keywords, and that means holiday keywords. I recommend to do it in your title, right? So we can see right now, this one is Mother's Day. They're literally putting Mother's Day. They also put they've got a lot in here, Valentine's Day, Christmas gifts, right? But what you want to do is cycle the keywords. So you want to stay on track. You want to know when the holidays are coming up, like Mother's Day, which is coming up soon. And then you want to rank for that. Mother's Day gift, and putting that in your title. What are people typing in? You can also type in right here, Mother's Day, and it should be Mother's Day gifts. You see that's the first one that pops up. So you should be typing this in and have that in your title. So it's going to help you rank for this. Mother's Day gifts. And then you can maybe put these in your bullet points. Mother's Day gifts for mom. Just Mother's Day. And then we have all other things. Mother's Day's gift under $10, things like that. Mother's Day gifts for grandma. Don't forget about grandma. People are typing that in. From son. So these are the stuff people are already typing in. It's super easy to see. Whatever is popping up first, I recommend to put in your title. The other ones you can start putting in your bullet points. You don't want to shove crazy keywords in your title, too many. But this is a great way. We even have St. Patty's Day. Look at them. St. Patrick's Day candy. If I look at this, I would never know this is St. Patrick's Day candy. But they're putting it in their title. And now it all makes sense just because they put this keyword in. And that's why they're generating sales. Again, they could put Mother's Day candy. Father's Day, they can keep changing it, and that's going to help them rank on Amazon. Last but not least is number 3, and that's starting Amazon ads earlier. So you do exact match for keywords you want to show up for. The earlier the better, because Amazon won't even show your ads if you start them late. So what you want to do, if we're trying to rank for St. Patrick's Day candy, you can run an Amazon exact match campaign for this for a really, really low spend, right, before St. Patrick's Day. And then Amazon's automatically going to be showing your listing to people who are typing that in. If people click and buy, then you're automatically going to be ranking for that. Not only are you going to be ranking for it organically, but you're going to be ranking for it via paid ads. So that's a double duo. So right when St. Patrick's Day does come up, right, it's getting there right now, you're going to be ranking for that. It's going to be working out really well, and it's going to be a win-win for you. And if you implement these 3 strategies, you will see results. Some of our clients made 10x during the holiday season just implementing these strategies, so test them out and see how they work. But that's it for today's video. Which holiday do you think has the biggest potential for Amazon sellers other than Christmas and Black Friday? Drop your answer in the comments below, and if you want a deeper breakdown of the advertising strategies, just let me know. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales anything mentioned in this video or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to call us or schedule a call. Also, our number one service is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of the service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon for hours on end just to fix an issue. Save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.